Attention realtors! Are your property showings falling flat? TidyTex Home Cleaning is here to save the day. As a retired Army veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we know about precision and excellence. Imagine this. Potential buyers walk into a home that sparkles and shines, giving them that warm, inviting feeling they crave. Our reliable and professional cleaning services are designed to help you prepare homes for sale, enhancing property showings and speeding up sales. With quick turnarounds and meticulous attention to detail, we ensure your listings look their best before open houses or buyer visits. Now, let's add a little extra magic. Here's your tidy tip. For little to no cost, open all the blinds and turn on lights before a showing. A well-lit space feels more welcoming and highlights the home's best features, making it easier for buyers to envision their new life there. Don't let your listings linger. Get in touch with TidyTex today and watch how a clean home transforms the selling experience. Check the video description for more details and contact us today to schedule your cleaning service.